This is Kavya from Grade 6 DPS Sharjah and welcome to my channel Methode de Francais de Kavya. Today I will be explaining the topic Didou Apprend le Français, which means Didou learns French. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's get started. Today we will be learning les alphabets. Les alphabets means the alphabets. Just like the English alphabets, the French alphabets have 26 letters, but the pronunciations are different. A, A, avion, airplane. B, 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 bâtiment, buildings. C, 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 cadeau, gifts. D, 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 drapeau, flag. E, escargot, snail. F, 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 fleurs, flowers. G, 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 gâteau, cake. H, 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 home, man. I, E, E, Indian. Here, Indian is a feminine word. Indian. J, G, G, jaune, yellow. K, 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 kangaroo, kangaroo. L, 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 late, milk. M, 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 mère, mother. N, 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 neige, snow. O, 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 orange, orange. P, 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 Paris, Paris. Q, 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 kick. Tail, R, 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 rose, rose. S, 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 sir, sister. T, 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 table, table. U, U. Ukulele. Ukulele. V. 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 Butcher. Car. W. 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 Wagon. Wagon. X. 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 Y. 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 U. Ice. Z. 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 Zebra. Zebra. Now let's revise all the letters again. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Now, let's solve your questions. Write 5 words with the help of the alphabets given. First one, A. Yes, airport. It means airport. Second one, F. Good job. Fromage. It means cheese. Third one, S. Great. Stylo. It means pen. Fourth one, L. Awesome. Lion. It means lion. Fifth one, C. Good job. Crayon. It means pencil. Excellent. Fill in the blanks. First one, awesome. Bonjour, monsieur. Good morning, sir. In the first blank, it will be O. In the second blank, it will be J. Third blank, O. And the fourth blank, R. In the fifth blank, it will be N. Sixth one, it will be O. And seventh one, R. Bonjour, monsieur. Good morning, sir. Yes. Salut, Eric. Hello, Eric. First blank, A. And the second blank, E. Salut, Eric. Hello, Eric. Third one. Great job. In the first blank, A. And the second blank, V. Ça va? Ça va? How are you? Fourth one. Awesome. In the first blank, it will be C. Second blank, V. Third blank, E. Fourth blank, E. And fifth one, E. Ça va bien? Merci. Ça va bien, merci. I'm doing well. Thank you. Fifth one. Fantastic. Au revoir. In the first blank, second blank, ve, and third blank, o. Au revoir. Bye. Sixth one. Yes, well done. Bonne nuit. In the first blank, o. Second blank, and third blank, Bonne nuit. Good night. Très bien. I hope you like this video. Tune in for more and like, share and subscribe to my channel. Merci.